In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create simple view in Oracle. To create a view, you have to create multiple tables in your database, and a view can be created from a single table or from multiple tables. Here is the syntax for creating a view in Oracle. If you can use create or replace, or replace part is optional here. If you want to override any existing view, then you can use create or replace. For simple view creation, you just write create view and the view name. And here is the portion or SQL statement that will retrieve data from one or more tables, and here select from and where clause are used, and where clause are optional here, but you must have to use select and from clause, and from clause can contain one or more database table that exist in the database. And this option with read only, it is used for creating a view that is not updatable. That means you cannot run insert, update, delete this query statement for that view if with read only option is used at the time of creating the view. And with check option used to prevent or restricted uh, updating the table content by using view by mentioning some option, and if the check option doesn't match, then the table will not be updated by using the view. Here I will show you some simple example to create a view, and next I will give you an exercise that you will solve in the class. Create a view by using where clause. You can write the select query by using where clause or by using an inner join. In the first example of this view, where condition is used to retrieve data from multiple tables. So I will execute this query from SQL Developer SQL Editor. So create view system is here, username dot view name as select study basic ID name pattern department from study GPT. From two tables, study basic and study GPT. And here the ID value will be match for retrieving the data. It shows view has been created properly, so I can check it from here. You can see this is the view, and if I click on the data, this is the content of the view. Now, same output you can generate by using the inner join, and it is shown in the second example. So here select query is written like this from basic inner join GPT. So both two same tables are used here, and the condition of the where clause is used after the on clause here because inner join is used here. So second view is created properly. Now I can check it from here, and this is the this is the second view. Okay, now I will check the third example, create a read-only view. If you use the with read-only option where at the time of creating the view, then the view is not updatable. That means you cannot modify the database content by using this view. Okay, here just with read-only option is used with the view creation. Okay. Now I will execute it and check the view is created or not. This is the Third view, that retrieve data from a single table, and you cannot modify the content of this view by using insert, update, or delete query. And last example is to drop a view or delete a view from the database. You have to run the drop view name. So second view is dropped here. You see, second view does not exist here. In this way, you can create a view from single table or multiple table with read-only option or without read-only option or with check option. Here, a simple exercise has been given here. You have to solve it after completing the tasks of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.